So for today's vlog, all I'm doing is folding my laundry. It's the weekend. I wash my clothes once a month, and then I just fold them all up and then put them away based on colors and everything. So let me know down below, like, how do you do your laundry day? Do you go to the laundromat and fold all your clothes there? Do you just wash your clothes and pile them up? Do you have someone else do your laundry, or are you in charge of doing laundry at your home? Let me know down below. But that's really all today's vlog is. I'm sticking at home today, cleaning up, and cleaning up, meaning like washing my clothes. Washing my clothes, I have about 5 baskets. There's 3 of them around me, already taken care of. 1, 2, and 3. So I am going to fold them up by color and then them away. Folding my clothes, I tend to watch TV or have music playing. I am in my TV room. So right now I'm going to put on the Tyler Perry Have and Have Not. I've been watching trying to catch up, binge watching a little bit. So that's what I'm going to watch, and I'll see you guys once I'm done folding all these clothes. Hopefully it's less than 10 minutes, but let's just see. I probably have to speed up parts of it, but yeah, continue to watch, and hopefully you're folding some clothes as well. But today's laundry day, that's all this vlog is going to be about. Okay? I've done. Okay, so. But yeah, basket number 2 is all done. Last basket. Whew, goodness. Alright, last basket is done. I hope you enjoy this laundry day with me, folding the clothes, and I've been putting them away as I fold them. That's just my process. I have to do that. All done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video, like, and leave a comment below as to how your laundry day goes, right? Do you wash all your clothes on one day? Do you wash them throughout the week? Do you fold as you go? Or do you just like pile them over somewhere? I don't know. Let me know in the comment. Let's have a discussion there. And I'll see you next time.